My dear loving brothers and sisters, hope you all are happy and fine. I am Subhash Rai Chaudhary. It is my channel Data Bazaar. Please like and subscribe my channel for keeping you motivated constantly when the time is not in your favor. That is natural. We cannot expect all the thing will come according to our expectation. That time we need emotional support. I assure you, my videos will motivate you, will give you all type of emotional support to go forward, to much forward. This is a part of a video series, how to stay good and feel good. Let us discuss today about how to overcome the mental hurdle called perfection. Actually, perfection is a vague word. It is just like a speed breaker. It is a natural flow stopper. Suppose you are going by the car smooth way. Suddenly you see a series of hurdles. What you will feel? You will feel irritated. Your car will feel irritated. Your balance will little bit disturbed. Nobody likes it, but that is life. We have to give importance to that also. Moreover, it kills our enthusiasm. People use these as a weapon, especially by the bosses, to their subordinates to subdue them. Again, some lazy people use these as an umbrella to cover up their shortcomings. Let us take some examples. Suppose you are an eligible bachelor. Your parents are looking for your alliance, but they want a perfect alliance, perfect match for you. They will make an imaginary list. Suppose it is a lady, she will be of very much fair complexion, very long tails, very long hairs, this much of education, this much of ornaments, so many things. Suppose if your parents do not get what you are asking, what they are asking, that means will you be an eligible bachelor throughout your life, or you will marry the lady whomever you will see is suitable. Then no question of perfect. And then suppose you are now married, will you be a perfect husband? Whether your wife will be a perfect wife, is it possible? Or you will be perfect yourselves in the due course of your marriage life. That is actually the thing. If it is applicable for marriage, why not for you? Why not for your project? Let us take another example. You want to learn driving. So what you will do? You will be perfect in the skill, then you will sit in the driving seat. Is it possible? Or you will take a minimum knowledge about driving and sit in the driver's seat and just start the engine and broom. And in the due course, after some days or after some hours, you will be perfect. You will be a very, very perfect driver. So, Life is like that. Nobody is perfect in the life, so as you. It varies from person to person and changes with time. Just start any project and in due course you will be perfect. Actually, perfection is a journey, not a destination. Let us take another example. Think about a child. Once he decides he will walk, what he does? He put his best foot forward and the second one follows automatically. Definitely he is not perfect that time, very time. He is not steady at all. His every step is the exam of balance. Though their parents, anxious parents, excited parents, wants their child to be very perfect from the very first step. Not possible. If the child thinks about to be perfect first and then proceed for work, then the child will not be able to work at all in his life. So, just go ahead in your project. Forget the monster of the mental hurdle called perfection. When you will proceed in your work, if you put your heart in it, then the Lord will be your partner. He will, in due course, will help you when you going to fail or there is a remote possibility of fail. And He will elevate your mind from the stage of frustration to the stage of creation. Remember one thing, perfection is a paper tiger that only stop the progress. If you don't want to stop your progress, proceed now. Good luck. Thank you.